Hi everyone, and welcome back to Save and Serve with Steph. I have another unboxing video here for you today. My mom gave this to us as a Christmas present. I say us because it's actually a double rotating waffle maker. And my kids absolutely love waffles. We have been sort of having a little tradition of making waffles on the weekends. Just a little nice treat. We haven't done it for a while because my waffle maker, my old one, hasn't really been working the greatest, so that has been on hold. But now we have this new one here. So thank you, Mom. Thank you, Grandma. The kids will appreciate it. Let's get this opened up. All right, so we have a little user manual and recipes. That'll be nice. So this has classic waffles, pizza chaffle. That's interesting. So on top of just doing like a breakfast meal, I can actually make desserts, dinners. That'll be nice. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, looks like it comes with a plate, possibly. And this is the machine. We've got the cord all wrapped up on the bottom here. Flips. There's a power and a ready sort of switch there. Same on this side. Press the button. There's also an arrow with a turn to tell you which way it turns. So this one goes this way. That side goes the other side. There's also instructions on the machine saying to fill this side first. Okay. I just need to figure out how to open it up to get the waffle batter in. Let's see. Well, it doesn't really tell me, but there is the little button here. There we go. Okay. So it looks like it makes one Belgian size waffle on each side. So we can make 2 waffles at a time now. That will be really nice to get food there we go, prepared in a timely manner. My old machine, it would take about half an hour in order to get our family of 4 enough waffles for breakfast. So hopefully this will decrease the time it takes to make waffles since we're making 2 at a time. But yeah, that's all there is in the box of this double waffle maker. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for subsequent videos showing me using this machine to make waffles. As it said, there's a sort of pizza chaffle, I guess. Don't know if I'm saying that right, recipe as well. And yeah, let's see where this takes us and what other recipes we can find that can be used in a waffle maker. For now, see you guys next time.